be careful. And this is why. There's floods everywhere.
Can I step right here? It wasn't like that.
As soon as I heard something about the field, I had to get out of the bathroom.
No, it's never been that much.
Yeah, it has. It's been over that much.
No.
That was a long time ago though.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Never ever did this before.
Yes, it has.
No.
And yeah, stay safe and do not go outside, guys, because it is flooding everywhere. Please stay safe and do not go outside. And stay healthy. Bye, guys.